one example, that is 25, 24 and 12, right? So 24 we need to convert first binary. Okay, so 2 12s are 14, sorry, 2 12s are 24 and the remainder will be 0. 2 6 are 12, remainder will be 0. 2 3s are 6 and remainder will be 0. 2 1s are 1 and the remainder will be 1. So for 24 we'll get the number as 1100, that means 1100, right? We'll get the binary number of 24 is 1100. This is 24. And now we need to convert 12. So 12, what is the binary number? 2 6 are 12, 0 and 2 3 are 6, 0. 2 1s are 1, the remainder will be 1. So we'll get the number as 1100. Okay, so this is our number for 12 and this is the number for 24, right? So what is the process we need to do here? We need to do first whatever the subtrahend number will have, that will be converted into the first 2's complement method, right? So first check it here, this number having the 5-digit code and this number having the 4-digit code. So before that 12 converting 2's complement, first add it 0 for 12. For we need to do this number as 5-digit code. So that's why I can do here 12 as 01100. Okay, so now check it, is it 12 or not? 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3 and 2 power 4. So 2 power 4 into 0 is nothing but something into 0, 0 plus 2 cube into 1 is nothing but 8 plus 2 square into 1 is nothing but 4. 0 into anything 0 and 0 into anything 0. We'll get the result as 8 plus 4, 12. So the same number will be same number will get here. So that's why I can add before of 110 I can add 10 for to represent 5-digit code. Okay, so now we need to do that arithmetic subtraction for this code. So first we need to do whatever the subtrahend number will have, that will be converted into the 2's complement, right? So here 12 number, what is the 12 number here? That 12 number we can represent as 01100. Now this number will be converted into the 2's complement. How to represent the 2's complement? With signed number. Okay, with sign bit, including sign bit we need to convert that 2's complement method. So the same whatever the step will follow in that arithmetic addition, so the same procedure will be follows in arithmetic subtraction also. Here this is the number, right? This number will be converted into the 2's complement. So 1's complement, 1's complement plus 1. First I need to convert this number as 1's complement. 0 with 1, 1 with 0, 0 with 1 plus 1 we need to add it. 1 plus 1 0, 1 carry, 1 plus 1 0, 1 carry, 0 plus 1 1, 0 1. So for 12 we'll get the result as 10100. Okay, now add this number into 24. Okay, so what is the 24 number here? 11000. What is the sign of this number? Positive, no? Right? Positive is nothing but how to represent? 000. That means this is, I need to take 3-digit code. Why? Because means this number already having 5. So and this number having 3. So totally we need to take 8-digit code, right? So that's why I can represent this is in 3-digit code and this is represented in 5-digit code. And like that, minus 12, how to represent? Minus we can represent it as 1 in binary. And what is the 12 of 2's complement number? 10100. So we need to add these two numbers, not subtracted here, just addition process we need to do. Adding. Okay, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 0, 1 carry, 0 plus 1, 1, and 1 plus 1, 0, 1 carry, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 0, 1 carry, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 0, 1 carry. Is it right? 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 0, 1 carry. So here also whatever the carry will be get here, that carry will be neglect. Just will get the result, final result becomes 00001100. Just check it. 24 minus 12, what is the number? 4 minus 2, 2, 2 minus 1, 1. Okay, so 12, but this is positive number. Okay, so just check it here. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. So remaining all are zeros, no? 0 into something any will be 0. So 2 cube is nothing but 8 and 2 square into 1 is nothing but that is 4. So totally we'll get the result becomes 12. And this 4 becomes positive sign. Right? Positive is always represented as 0, no? So this 4 will be represented as sign and this number will be represented as number. So 24 plus 12, 24 minus 12 is nothing but we'll get the plus 12. So here also we'll get the plus 12. Okay, so this is the complete explanation about signed binary numbers. It's very important for exam point of view. Okay, so thank you, ma.